Hey guys, this is Mr. G. Just going to give you some directions on how to complete this sheet in your assignment for today. This is on checks and balances. So it is we've been looking at the Constitution. We're all looking at our new nation and the government and how the three branches of government check each other and balance each other so that no one person or one group has too much power. So on this sheet, this top part, there's 3 blank spaces. Do not worry about those 3 blank lines at all. You're going to start here with these 6 words. This is your word bank. So it's veto, impeachment, override, judicial review, justice appointment, and justice approval. What I want you to do first is I want you to look up those words. I want you to come find a definition. Write a definition down for each of those 6 words. You will use those words in your word bank down here on these 18 lines. So if there's 18 lines and 6 words, you know you're going to use them more than once. What you have to do is read the statement and see if you can fit the word to the statement. Which one is it describing? Which checks and balances is it describing? So for example, let's look at a couple of them. Number 3 says the Supreme Court can declare a law unconstitutional. That would be judicial review. The Supreme Court, the justices in the Supreme Court can review any law and determine if it's unconstitutional. So they are checking the legislative branch. So that would be on number 3, all you would write is judicial review. Let's go down here to number 12. We know this one from current events this year, from watching CNN. It says the president can be removed from office if he is found guilty of breaking the law in the trial by the Senate. That would be impeachment. So the legislative branch can impeach by trial the president or the executive branch, which is the president. So you would just write impeachment on this line for number 12. Now remember, when you do this, you don't have to print the sheet out. You can do it in a Word document and just put the 6 definitions up top and then 1 through 18 answers. You can do it on a blank sheet of paper and take a picture of that and submit it. However is best for you to submit, I'm okay with. But I thought this, giving you these directions and this kind of dialogue, this video will help you understand better how to complete this sheet. So I hope this helps. If you have any other questions, email me, contact me. But good luck today with this. I think you guys will do fine once you research those definitions a little bit.